So that was kind of a different little video for the channel. I was bored today and I figured why not. So we're gonna be back to our normal sledding videos next weekend. We're going up Lumby direction, which I've never, actually I shouldn't say that, I've been up there once many years ago, but so it should be a pretty cool adventure for that one. And if you haven't heard already, by the end of April 30th, 2019, if the channel can hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway to 2 different people. I'm going to be giving away 2 bigger Keeper pin stickers and 3 smaller ones. So, you know, share with your friends, subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Yeah, hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you next weekend. Peace.